Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens on TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Kama kimsandile ngiphuma khona la ekhaya eMbombela.
Igame ibona kanjani?
First thing first, Stibo.
Yeah.
It's my first. I think it's my second time being with you tonight.
Thank you, Redman.
West 2, Guti. I'm a Chiefs fan.
Yeah.
But I wanna give credit to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates is cooking. Trust me, it's cooking. And we really appreciate Coach Wetu.
Yeah.
Next time we need to give them support. National team.
Yeah.
Let's give them support so that they can show such performance.
Yeah.
So see my supporter, let's give them support. That's what I can say to Ongemundola South Africa.
Yeah.
But going to the World Cup, let's make sure that when as Stibo, uhambe nabo.
Ngiyabamba futhi.
Uhambe nabo. Let's to the World Cup.